Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. We have a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country 4x4 here. Very nice truck. It's a one owner. This truck is North Sky Blue Metallic with the black and brown interior. Very pretty. This truck does have the 6.2 liter engine upgrade. Has the Safety 2 package, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, all of the safety equipment on it. It's got the running boards, 20-inch wheels, nice tires. This truck also has the bed camera, the multi-flex tailgate, which kind of bifolds into a big step or a seat. Has the max trailering package. Heated and cooled seats. Has the side view cameras, the front camera, the trailer camera. Take a look at the side. Two-tone leather, very nice. This is a non-smoker truck. MSRP on this truck, I believe, was $68,000. Very clean inside. High country. Seat looks good. This truck has 13,900 miles. Navigation. See all our buttons down here. Trailer package. See the camera options here. We put it in reverse. Bose sound system. Very, very nice truck. Feel free to call, text, or email with any questions. We're very easy to get a hold of here. The website is rogersmotorcars.com.